All right, so let's start with the big story that we are tracking on WION at this hour. India has yet again set a new record in the number of infections that have been reported in the last 24 hours. This on a day when the government has launched a nationwide Tika Utsav, or a vaccine festival. Now, the country has recorded more than 152,000 cases of COVID-19 infections in just the last 24 hours, making it the highest daily surge since the pandemic began. Now, India also reported nearly about 839 COVID-related fatalities. The world's second most populous nation has been witnessing a COVID surge since the past few days. The coronavirus has claimed more than 168,000 lives in the country so far. Meanwhile, a mass vaccination program called Tika Utsav is of course being conducted from today onwards, from the 11th of April until the 14th of April across the country. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has of course urged all eligible Indians on the occasion of Tika Utsav to go and get themselves vaccinated as states are ramping up the vaccination facilities. The Prime Minister Modi has urged Indians to follow each one, vaccinate one motto. The vaccination campaign came a day after India became the world's fastest country to administer the 100 million doses of COVID-19 infections in the first 85 days. Now, the US has achieved the milestone in about 89 days, while China had taken about 102 days to vaccinate about 100 million people. Meanwhile, states across India continue to witness COVID surge. Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh and Kerala continue to be the worst affected states. The capital, New Delhi, which has been witnessing an uptick in the number of cases, has introduced new restrictions to curb the spread of COVID-19. The curbs have been introduced on social gatherings, and only about 50 people will be allowed to attend weddings, and not more than 20 people will be allowed to attend funerals. Now, restaurants, cinema halls and public transport will all operate at about 50% capacity. The new rules, which will stay in place till the 30th of April, along with the earlier announced 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. night curfew. And all of these measures have, of course, been put in place so that people adhere to social distancing, so that people do not step out when they don't have to step out, and the infection curve hopefully is brought under control. Remember, states such as Maharashtra, other states such as Tamil Nadu and some of the other states, including Uttar Pradesh, are contributing the highest number of infections that have been witnessed. In the last 24 hours, the infection tally that's been recorded is over 153,000. And the Prime Minister Narendra Modi has of course asked all Indians on the occasion of Tika Utsav to go forth and get themselves vaccinated wherever they are.